Everybody, your laundry detergent could be infiltrating toxins into your body because your clothes absorb the toxins, and they can be anything from hormone disruptors, cancer-causing ingredients and neurotoxins, and allergens and more. Could be causing rashes, could be causing symptoms like brain fog and fatigue and night sweats, things like that, difficulty sleeping, menopausal symptoms, things like that. Anyway, I want to show you what I've been using for the past 16 years. Gets rid of all toxins, really eco-friendly and super gentle on the wallet. I've been using this system for 16 years. It's called the Pure Wash Pro, and it converts water to like a hydrogen peroxide water. So it's hyper oxygenated. You only need cold water, which is even better for the environment and for your wallet. So I'm gonna show you everything else I use before I turn that on, and you'll see how it turns on, how it bubbles the water. But because of this system, you don't really need to use laundry detergent. So there goes all of the laundry detergent money that you spend, as well as the toxins that can pollute your body. But when you do want to use something because you have stains, and this really gets stains out as well, it's really great for whites because it hyper oxygenates the water. But if you really want to use something, I use Branch Basics. You can make your own, so it's a hyper concentrated, super concentrated formula that you then mix with water. They've got this great glass that I love with a tiny little cup that you just measure and pour, or you can add a little bit of their oxygen boost. Again, that is already oxygenated, but if you want an additional boost, I use their oxygen boost. I don't use this for every wash. In fact, I only use it when it's really soiled. So maybe for the kids' wash or some towels that really got soiled. Otherwise, I don't use laundry detergent at all. So this supply will last me probably 6 months to even a year. So that really cuts down on your bills. The next thing I want to show you, what I do use with every wash just to give it an added boost, are these little balls that have ceramic inside them, and the ceramic are minerals infused with like lemon oil. So they help adjust the pH of your water and get rid of stains. And these are super eco-friendly. They're like $10. I'll post the link. All you do is twice a month, sit them outside to reactivate them, sit them in the sun, and that will help reactivate them. So you toss your laundry in. I'm gonna toss one, you can toss two in, and then if you need, because you have stains, you can add your laundry detergent, but you only need a tiny amount. You don't even need the full amount of a normal load because you're gonna be using the Pure Wash. All right, so I'm gonna turn on. So you can see the blue light turns on the Pro Wash, and it's converting the water. It's hyper oxygenating the water. It's ozonating the water, which is going to clean the laundry. Okay, so as far as the drying process, I don't use drying sheets. I don't use any kind of sheets that go in, because a lot of the drying sheets contain toxic chemicals. As you're wearing your clothes, those will leach into your skin, get absorbed through your skin. Your skin is your second gut, and then affect your body. So instead, there's a couple options. I like these. I'll put these in the link to these as well. These will help prevent the static clean. These are by Full Circle. You can also use the wool balls. These are great as well. Both of those are eco-friendly. And if you have pets and you want to get rid of pet hair, I toss some of these in. So sometimes when there's pet hair on the clothes, these will help attract the pet hair, and then they'll take it off the clothes. So in the laundry, you just toss a couple of the balls. If you have anything that needs to be line dried, I really love this device because it's really small, so it can fit in small places. But all you do is step on the foot, pulls it up and out, and then it still doesn't take up much room. What I really love about it is the arms come out, they're made of bamboo, and you can either put your clothes to dry like this, Or for shirts, what I love to do is hang them across like this. So this is my laundry method. I've been using this for 16 years. I used it with dirty diapers. I did all cloth diapers for my kids. This is the system that I use. I don't use much laundry detergent, only on really heavily soiled items, and it's very eco-friendly. You'll also save a lot of money on, first of all, you're not going to be needing the laundry detergent, but this device itself is under $300 when you click through the link that I'm giving you, because you'll save 15% off. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know your feedback. This is a great system to incorporate eco-friendly, won't infuse toxins into your body, gentle on clothes, yet tough on stains, and recommended by me, Trina Felder, your clean health and beauty expert.